Hey, welcome back to another video. This is going to be another POV video. I haven't dropped one since my last one, the winter POV. You can check it out on the channel as well. I have my Leica M6 and the Summicron 28. I'm super excited to get to use it a bit more. I have a roll of Fomapan 400. It's hand rolled. I had 18 rolls or something, and I've been ripping through them. And it's just, it's a good way to practice for me because they're cheap. It's a cheap film stock compared to my favorite, the Triax. So I get out the door more when I have the Fomapan in because I can shoot more freely, I feel. Alright, so let's talk about my settings for the camera here. It's an ISO 400 film, and it's quite sunny outside. So I have it at f8, probably f11 because it's quite bright. And I'll be doing zone focus. It's set to 2 meters to infinity. And sometimes when I'm closer to people, because it's quite busy out here on the walking street here, it's gonna be, I think, 1.5 meters. I think f2 is fine, and I don't need to change the settings anyway. All right, I think let's get to it. A lot of people, a lot of weird gestures out here. So yeah, and also I brought a roll of Color Plus 200 in case I just find so much inspiration today. So I moved away from the walking street. It was just too busy. So I'm heading down to another very busy place. It's a station. I think I have a thing or two for stations these days. There are a lot of different people there, so that's why I like going there, because you can catch different people in different situations and gestures and all that. And that's pretty amazing. So I was there last week with my camera in hand, and I realized that the film was not properly loaded, so I missed all the shots I made that day. I had an inkling that it wasn't advancing, and because the film strip was ripped, and I just kind of pushed it and said, you know, it looked like it was advancing, it was, you know, taking up into the spool. It wasn't. Yeah, I was a little bit annoyed by that, but again, that happens when you're an analog shooter. Sometimes the film gets stuck, sometimes the photographer cannot properly load a film, like me. For the life of me, sometimes I'm too slow and I do it completely wrong. And also, I think, to my defense, it was also a hand roll film, and Fomapan is just very brittle, so it breaks quite easily. Anyway, I'll get a second chance today because I'm using the same roll. I just cut off some of the initial safety film, and it's shooting fine now.